Are you ready to stop being stuck and break through the 730 barrier in SAT Math? Welcome to the SAT Math Elite program. Many students scoring well on the SAT Math face a frustrating wall right around the 700 to 720 mark. If you're already scoring around 700 to 720, you understand the core concepts. You know the formulas. The problem isn't knowledge, it's execution. A tough question appears that feels impossible to even start, leaving you asking, where do I even begin? These are the challenging questions that strong students often get stuck on, and recognizing them is the first step to overcoming them. These difficult questions are usually long word problems, filled with excessive information, confusing language, and a structure you've never seen before. Crucially, these are the types of challenging questions that frequently appear in Module 2 of the SAT Math section. And these tough, unfamiliar problems are exactly what keeps strong students from pushing their score past that critical 730 or even 750 mark. That's why I created the SAT Math Elite program, tailored to solve this exact problem. This program is a 6-week advanced crash course designed to sharpen your problem-solving strategy, not review basic concepts. It's specifically designed for students already scoring around 680 or higher who are striving for that elite score. So what will we focus on to get you unstuck and on track for a top score? Instead of reviewing basic material, we focus only on the most challenging SAT question patterns and complex setups. The real challenge in these top-tier questions is simply knowing how to start, and that is exactly what we teach. Let's look at the structure of the SAT Math Elite program. The course includes 12 live sessions where we dive deep into advanced strategies and practice difficult problems together. We meticulously break down those confusing word problems, unusual setups, and advanced question types to demystify them. You'll learn to recognize the underlying structure of challenging problems quickly, allowing you to approach them with confidence. What is the ultimate goal of the SAT Math Elite program? The goal is simple. When faced with a difficult SAT math question, you should immediately know exactly where to begin. This mastery of strategy and immediate clarity is often the crucial difference between being stuck at a 720 and achieving that highly coveted 750 or even 800 score. If you're ready to break the barrier and achieve your elite SAT math score, enroll in the SAT Math Elite program today.